God, they brought the whole town.
We passed out. We passed out.
No?
So we don't stop. We say, hey, no,
Fill your memory card up.
Howdy. How you doing?
Hey, good morning, sir.
It is a good morning.
like the Williams, two brothers at the other cemetery, side by side, World War I. We even got Spanish American veterans. So, to me, it's amazing. These people aren't forgotten. They're not written on the walls. They're not in any of the honor rolls. We're going to change it. Thanks to you guys. To me and you other people cleared all this.
Howdy, gentlemen.
You're making me feel like it was all worth it.
Gentlemen, welcome. Thank y'all for showing up.
Oh, yeah. Thank you. Yes, sir.
We'll get it there.
But I figured if anybody's going to have their hands full, you know, it's going to be that website.